Assalamu alaikum. We are here in the College of Engineering, Qassim University. Today we have a symposium here, and I have a task to all the poster presenter. I will give each of the poster presenter 50 seconds to present their poster. Let's see.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Muhammad Niamatullahi. I'm a first year graduate student in the civil engineering department. This is our research leveraging machine learning for vehicle trajectory analysis, identifying the surrogate safety measures at signalized intersections. Basically, our main goal is to enhance the traffic safety in the intersection. But we're gonna use the surrogate safety measures to analyze the traffic safety dynamics. But why wait for the accident to take place when you can assess it prior? So our methodology, it is divided into two stages. As you can see, the first phase is data collection, data pre-processing, and the model validation. And the second stage, it consists of data post-processing and data smoothing, data labeling, and finally the framework. So this is can you please zoom? So as you can see, this is the intersection. It's from the UAV video footage, and these lines, little lines, these are the trajectories of the vehicles. And this is from the Saudi Arabia. It's from the fixed camera, and as you can see, we are seeing the detection of the vehicles. So when we both combine this data, we're gonna get the full pictures, and we can calculate the surrogate safety measures and provide enhanced traffic safety model.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Ahmed Adwaib. I'm the civil engineering department, and our project is to talk about design of foundation system with residential building area with area equal 1,330 meter, and we will use that will support by 55 column, and we will design 55 isolated footing. And second part, we will draw it in AutoCAD, okay, and we will see some footing each other inside. And here we will use combined footing, as you see, two column with one footing, or the last alternative we will use raft foundation, just one footing with all columns. And last we will use retaining wall for basement working floor, and that's it.
Assalamu alaikum, it's Mustafa from Pakistan and I am the student of Masters in the Mechanical Engineering. So today's my project is related to the heat transfer, a heat exchanger using the shell and tube heat exchanger to enhance the heat transfer rate. So what we are trying to do overall, so I have to put in the few points the what is a problem statement of our project. We have produced a novel geometry, but this is the novel geometry we are trying to produce for the heat exchanger using the Siemens NX software, and for the numerical analysis we are using the ANSYS software. So what I'm trying to do is to analyze these three type of tubes in the shell and tube heat exchanger. So what and the last one is to compare these three models with the static temperatures. So overall what is going on here is the first we have to validate our ANSYS simulations. So here we are trying to simulate the ANSYS thing, and you can see that there is only 18.53% of error in the ANSYS as compared with the Tetris polar Nusselt number equation. So it will be a very good comparison. So that means our model is very good. Our model and ANSYS working correctly. And in last, you can see that if you use these type of tubes, you can just get the temperature difference of 9.94. And if you use this type of tube in the heat exchanger, you get the 11.05% heat transfer rate. And if you are using the longitudinal thing, you can see that the temperature difference is 13.15%. So you can easily get from this that there is the 3.56 more temperature difference in the net if you use this longitudinal tube exchanger. So that If the temperature difference is greater, the heat transfer will be the greater. So this is the all we need to use the numerical analysis of heat transfer enhancement. So we enhance the heat transfer rate in the shell and tube heat exchanger of using longitudinal corrugated tube. So this is the longitudinal corrugated tube. This is all. Thank you.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Sadakat Ali. So I'm from Pakistan, and in Qassim University I'm pursuing my master in transportation engineering. So this is the research work we are working on. This is something we have done the first part of this research, which is automated pavement pothole detection using image processing and deep learning. Okay, in deep learning we have used YOLO model, which is medium model, and for the data set we have trained the model on 200 images, and we have detected the potholes. Like you can see, actually we were not able to show the video, but this model is actually detect the potholes in real time. Okay, so the accuracy of our model is actually 80%, and we can increase this as we have done just the 30% of our research. So inshallah we will increase the accuracy of the model, which will be like 90 to 95%, which is comparatively better than the methods we are being used, like the visual manual method and the LCM method. The major benefit of this model is that this is cost effective than the other one, and also this is something we can integrate with the autonomous vehicles, as well as we can revolutionize our road asset management plan system, that we will just monitor our whole pavements in our office. So this is something, inshallah, we will improve this. Thanks for you.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm Harith al-Rashid from Engineering College in Qassim University. And here we have our project for find a solution for the high CO2 emissions. And we try to take polymer mortar as a solution with different fiber content, and tried to design it, and finally we got the results as represented here for compression and here for flexure, and here the fiber content does not show good results. Adding more fiber percentage does not show a good results. However, for flexure, the more percentage of fiber represents a good.
Good morning, everybody. Our project developing lightweight concrete by replace natural aggregates by date sheet that's covered by an epoxy layer. Also replace regular cement by date ash that's burning in 900 Celsius degree, and grinding that, make it with an epoxy to produce a new mix that in density there is a big difference in 50% reducing the density, also in compressive flexural.
So that's what we tried to do with this project. We took a solar panel and two types of wind turbines, the vertical axis and horizontal axis wind turbines, and we brought them together in a system to harness all of the available energy in nature and charge the battery. That would affect, because we're able to get more energy, that would improve how fast our batteries charge. And if you can get the batteries charged, that means we are getting more energy and better resources. That's it.
المايك ايش دوره؟ المايك عشان تاخذ الرزق الصوت
Thank you. Start. Start. Start.
This is our city design project, which is like designed to build a robust anti-smoking system. So in short, our problem is an anti-smoking vehicle gate access. So what does that mean? Is that we check for a vehicle, then identify and classify it based on the car make and model. Okay? Then check if the person is present or not, and detect and recognize it. Also detect sound the license plate. So we train a model.
Hello everyone, my name is Adibu Kamle, student of Renewable Energy Systems, College of Engineering, Qassim University. My project is largely about increasing the fiction hours of renewable energy systems. We try to see how we can make renewable energy systems much more effective by taking advantage of
Rahmatullah. My name is Hamdi Dawoudi. I am excited to explain my research, which is entitled as the seismic behavior of short period structures with compressible inclusion around foundation. Short period structures are exposed to high seismic loads as a result of being located in a sensitive region in the acceleration response spectrum. A possible solution to this issue is by enclosing the foundation of such a structure by compressible materials such as APS foam in order to shift the fundamental period of structure from the acceleration sensitive region to longer periods, leading to reduction in the seismic loads. This research is implemented step by step, starting with conducting a comprehensive literature review to keep up with new published studies in using APS foam in construction. Next, modeling isolated voting.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الدكتور عبد الله اللطيف المليفي، عشت انا وياه 10 سنوات في كلية هندسة بنيزة. كان ما شاء الله من الناس المميزين، لا بالحضور ولا بالانصراف ولا بالعمل ولا بالجد ولا بالاجتهاد، ولكن حصل له ظروف صراحة خارج عن يعني الإرادة واضطر انه يغادرنا. يعني بكلمة وسكين بسيط وليس يعني محقة، ولكن هذا فقط شكر لك يا دكتور.
As we wrap up the symposium at the College of Engineering, Qassim University, we want to thank everyone for joining us. For undergrads, it's been a window into the world of research, while grades have found a rich learning space. We hope you have enjoyed the ride and leaving with new ideas buzzing in your minds. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep innovating. Thank you so much. Bye bye.